What on earth am I doing out here in the middle of the night? No, I'm not coming to get herbs. No, leaving the pepper sprout and broccoli. I luckily have a particular type of mushroom that grows in my garden. Here we have it. Oyster mushrooms. Pleurotus ostriatus. And these are going to go in my ramen. So I'm going to just cut these base here. Here we go. My lovely mushroom knife. Look at them. Beauties. There you have it. Let's get those prepared. So I've just got a little of the oyster mushrooms from the garden there. Beef really thinly sliced up. Some broccoli, garlic and ginger. The thicker parts of the spring onions chopped up. They go in early. And then to garnish, some chilli and the green bits of the spring onions. Ginger, garlic, spring onion. Turn that off a little first, just a couple of minutes. Okay, and then it's 1.5 litres of stock. Bring it to the boil and put the lid over the top. Okay, so that's had 5 minutes or so. Now we just want just a pinch of homemade chilli flakes, not too much at all. These are quite strong. Just sort of pinch of sugar, and we want some soy sauce, tablespoon, noodles, and little bits of weight. Okay, so that's all in there. I'm just going to stir it around a little bit, and put the lid on just for a little bit, and then once it's all sort of kind of cooked through, stir it a bit more. Literally about 5 minutes. And there you have it. Yep. Here's a little side down. Yum yum.